Hello everyone, welcome to Channel Nitrix. Introducing the Retroid Pocket Flip 2, a powerful handheld gaming device with a sleek clamshell design, a high-resolution display, and upgraded internals for smooth performance. Weighing around 300 grams, it features an improved hinge, addressing issues from the previous generation. The premium build, ergonomic design, and well-placed buttons ensure a comfortable gaming experience. Plus, its foldable screen offers vibrant visuals and added portability. Is this the ultimate retro gaming device? In terms of button responsiveness, the device offers a smooth gaming experience thanks to its well-placed mechanical buttons, providing players with precise and fast controls. The analog sticks deliver a comfortable and accurate feel, enhancing gameplay, especially in titles that require precise movements. Additionally, the customizable RGB lighting adds a stylish touch, seamlessly integrating with the gaming experience for a visually immersive feel. The Retroid Pocket Flip 2 features a large 5000 mAh battery, providing a long-lasting gaming experience. It features a 5.5-inch Full HD accurately 1080p AMOLED display, delivering vivid colors and excellent image quality. For cooling, the device uses an enhanced cooling system with a built-in cooling fan vent, ensuring stable performance without overheating, enhancing the gaming experience for long gaming sessions. The Retro Pocket Flip 2 comes with a full suite of connectivity ports, including a USB-C port for charging and data transfer, a 3.5mm headphone jack for wired headphones, and a microSD port for expanding storage. It also supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for connecting wireless devices, making it versatile and suitable for a variety of uses. An HDMI cable port lets you enjoy mobile gaming and stream games to the big screen. The Retroid Pocket Flip 2 comes in two processor versions to suit different needs. The first is a Snapdragon 865 processor with Adreno 650 GPU, and the second is a MediaTek Dimensity 1100 processor with Mali G77 MC9 GPU. Both versions are equipped with 8GB LPDR4X RAM and 128GB of internal storage, ensuring smooth performance in games and applications. The device runs Android 13, providing a modern experience that is compatible with the latest games, applications, and emulators, both old and new, with strong smoothness and without feeling much difficulty.